soundboard, I think. Well, here's my soundboard. I know it's nostalgic. You see? IDKs. Yeah, just sounds like a normal iPhone stuff. Jasmine's. Whoa! And Lila Bees. Basically my mommy. Pac-Man. Oh, thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to let you see the assets. So here's Lila B. And here's me. Supposedly. Jasmine. And IDKs. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.